fourth variation now, called the eagle pose variation, Garudasana variation. Okay, always we'll add 3 poses after the horse pose or Ashwasanchalanasana. Start with hands in Namaste, legs together, feet together. Slowly as you inhale, Ardha Chakrasana. Exhale, stretch out, touch your toes. Inhale, left leg goes back. From here, going to variation. Back knee on the ground, back sole up. Inhale, raise your arms up. You can go grab your opposite elbows. Slightly look up if you're comfortable. Breathe. Steady. If you're comfortable, close your eyes. Look forward, going to the eagle pose variation. Stretch your arms out, right arm down, left arm up. Nicely curl your toes, curl your arms, and Namaste in front of your face. Front thigh parallel to ground, back sole pointing up. Breathe. Steady. The third pose in this variation. Hands on the ground. Slowly take the right leg out. Right foot, left knee in one straight line. Take the right hand on the right knee. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, inhale, go up. Left bicep touching the left ear, stretch tall. As you exhale, slide the right hand on the right shins. Left bicep to left ear. Lateral bend, called Parigrahasana. Close your eyes and breathe. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, left arm sideways. Inhale, turn the palm facing down. Exhale, bring it down. And then you can bring your leg forward into horse. Nice deep inhalation. Exhale, right leg goes back. And then exhale, go down, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Inhale, left leg forward into horse. Back knee on the ground, back sole up. Inhale, raise the arms up. And you can slowly grab the opposite elbows. Nice deep inhalation. As you exhale, slightly look up. Steady, breathe. Slowly as you exhale, stretch your arms out. Left arm down, right arm on top. Curl your hands nicely. Namaste in front of you. And nice and steady, breathe. Spine erect. Close your eyes. As you exhale, take the arms down. Take the left leg out. Left foot, right knee in one straight line. Inhale, right arm sideways. Exhale. Inhale all the way up. Slowly slide your left hand on the left shins. Right bicep to right ear, bend to the right side. And breathe. And close your eyes. Steady. Sthira Sukham Asanam. Eyes closed. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, take the right arm sideways. Inhale, turn the palm facing down. Exhale, slowly going down. Bring the hands forward and left leg forward into horse. Back toes curled under, nice deep inhalation. Exhale, bring the right leg forward. Inhale, stretch out. Look at the sky, half wheel. Exhale, come to Namaste. Release and relax. Legs apart. Eyes closed.